Today, we will talk about how to keep outdoor cushions from blowing away. Let's have a look at the details. Outdoor cushions make any furniture look a little more put together and a whole lot comfier. But if you live in a windy area, keeping these cushions in place is probably your top priority. Fortunately, there are methods you can use to stick down your cushions and keep them on your furniture 24/7. Keep watching to pick the best method that's right for you. Velcro. Velcro strips securely attach your cushions to your furniture. Simply buy a roll of Velcro and cut it down to the length of your cushions. Peel off the backing to expose the sticky backside. Then attach one side of the Velcro to the underside of your cushions. Attach the other side of the Velcro to the base of the furniture. Situate your cushions onto your furniture, and they'll have almost no chance of blowing away. Non-slip fabric. Slide a piece of non-slip fabric underneath the cushions for more traction. Buy a large sheet of non-slip fabric, then cut it down to fit underneath your cushions. Put the fabric underneath each cushion to hold them in place, and also keep them from sliding off the furniture. Cushion ties. Cushion ties are an easy way to tie your cushions to your furniture. Look for some cushion covers that have ties on the very back and the sides. Place the cushions in the furniture. Then use the ties to attach them to the legs or the base of your outdoor furniture. Bungee cords. Use bungee cords to fasten the cushions to the furniture. Grab a bungee cord and wrap it around the top of the cushion. Then fasten the ends to the legs of the furniture. Pull the bungee cord tight, so there's no chance the cushion can slip out and go anywhere. Zip ties. Loop zip ties around the cushions to keep them in place. Cut two small, discreet holes in the back of your cushions. Then loop a zip tie through each hole. Fasten the zip ties to the back of your furniture. Then zip them up tightly to keep them in place. Patio furniture weights. Weigh your cushions down with small, discreet weights. If you just want something heavy to keep your cushions in place, buy some patio furniture weights that you can set directly on top of your cushions. These weights are small enough that you can hide them behind pillows, but heavy enough to keep your cushions in place all day. Weighted tarp. A protective tarp will keep your cushions safe from wind and rain. If you know there's a big windstorm coming, grab a weighted tarp and cover all of your cushions and decorative pillows. Not only will it keep them in place, but it will prevent rain or morning dew from damaging your cushions over time. Storage. Keep your cushions safe in storage so you know they'll still be there. If none of these options sound great to you, or you know there's a big storm coming, take all your cushions off and throw them into a large basket or outdoor chest. Keep your cushions indoors or in a garage to protect them from the elements, and keep them in tip-top shape. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.